Welcome to Stand Up a ServiceNow Center of Excellence and Innovation, part of our Best Practices series. In this video, you'll learn what a ServiceNow Center of Excellence and Innovation, or CoEI, is, why it's worth investing in one, and how you should structure it. You'll also learn key steps to focus on after you set up your CoEI, and you'll leave this video armed with a list of actions you should take to stand up a CoEI in your organization. Let's dig in by defining what a ServiceNow Center of Excellence and Innovation is. It's an organizational model that we recommend customers stand up to optimize the strategic value they get from ServiceNow. A CoEI goes beyond a platform support team. It consolidates teams for strategy, business engagement and delivery, platform architecture and support, and innovation. By housing these functions in one organization, you remove the seams that can slow you down as you turn your vision for digital transformation into measurable, valuable results. So why should you invest in a CoEI? First, a CoEI improves your velocity by consolidating the teams you need to deliver value. Effective CoEIs improve the strategic, enterprise-wide value you deliver because they can promote workflows and unified experiences across business lines and departments. By doing this, a CoEI can help your business partners unlock new opportunities for innovation. Let's discuss how to structure your CoEI. The first and foundational step of standing up a CoEI is to define the structure. Your CoEI should bring together 4 functions: strategy, business engagement and delivery, platform architecture and support, and innovation. The important thing is to focus on what these teams need to do. Your strategy function should focus on your roadmap and resourcing, and ensure that all your ServiceNow activities are leading to value. Your business engagement and delivery function should focus on how you collaborate with business partners to design and deliver digital workflows, on time and on budget. Your platform architecture and support function should make sure that your Now Platform implementation adheres to standards and operates at top performance. Your innovation team should look for opportunities to extend digital workflows across the enterprise and build unified experiences across business functions. Remember that it's okay for your CoEI to start small. Just make sure to define your deliverables and measures for success. As ServiceNow grows in your enterprise, you can grow and evolve your CoEI's activities. Let's look at an example of how this CoEI structure comes to life. Suppose your innovation team learns of a need for a better and more efficient way for frontline workers to report issues from the field. They design a proof of concept for a ServiceNow mobile app. Then, they hand it off to the strategy team, which assesses the potential value of the app and assigns it a priority in the ServiceNow roadmap. The business engagement and delivery team then supports rollout at scale, not just by delivering the new capability, but by ensuring it comes with training and change management to support adoption. The platform architecture and support team then makes sure you have a support plan for the rollout, and ensures an effective deployment of the new mobile capability. These functions within your CoEI come together to bring enterprise value to life. ServiceNow recommends 3 additional steps after you've set up your CoEI structure. After your CoEI is in place, you'll want to define your engagement model with business partners and how your CoEI works with them to deliver new functionality and value. Next, you'll want to define the right resourcing model to ensure that your CoEI can deliver effectively. Finally, you'll put your CoEI into operation with the clearly defined measures of success from Step 1. Check out our CoEI Success Playbook for more details and best practices for each of these steps. There are 3 insights we want you to remember from this video. When you build your CoEI, remember that your focus shouldn't be on the organizational model alone. Think about what your CoEI should deliver to the enterprise and how you'll measure success. Remember, your CoEI should aim to deliver enterprise value and not be limited to value for IT. To do this, your CoEI should emphasize collaboration with business partners to discover and unlock new opportunities for innovation. So, what actions can you take next? First, Take time to review the Success Playbook and other resources we have on the Customer Success Center. These materials will give you more details and insights from experts on how to build a ServiceNow CoEI. Second, take what you've learned and have a discussion with your executive sponsor. How can a CoEI help you improve the velocity and scale of value you deliver with ServiceNow? This is where the insights and expert tips from our playbook will be helpful. Working with your sponsor, begin to define a charter and structure for your CoEI. Remember that ServiceNow can deliver enterprise workflow transformation, not just IT transformation. So dream big. If you need help, contact your ServiceNow team to learn about success services that help you build your charter and structure. Thank you for watching.